Regarding zero return, wala ka babayaran na surcharge, interest and penalty sa return na i-file after the deadline. But yes, yes, wala. Wala talaga. Why? Because you are merely amending the return. Take note po, saka ka lang subject sa penalty kapag hindi ka nakapagbayad at nakapag-file on time. Sa zero return kasi, nakapag-file on time ka. And since wala ka namang babayaran, then naka-pay on time ka rin. Pero to show good faith, pwede pong lagyan nyo muna ng 100 pesos and gamitin nyo na lang. Yun po yung technique ng mga practitioners eh. Nagpa-file po muna sila ng parang 100 pesos lang para lang may mabayaran. And then, after that, i-amend na lang po nila. Kasi po, for amended returns, there are no surcharge, interest, and compromise allowed. I have a BPO company servicing offshore clients. My clients are zero rated and my input VAT is already filing up. How can I get a tax credit or enjoy the input VAT? Okay.